Assalamualaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I'm your teacher, Miss Mehdeen. Today we are going to learn CVC words. CVC is a simple three-letter words that are made up of consonants, vowels, consonants. In CVC words, we include at words, and words, o words. So we will start with at words. Okay. Okay, which letter is this? A. Which letter is this? A. And which letter is this? T. When we blend it, it becomes at. Okay, okay, children. I will put ba here. It becomes bat. It becomes bat. Ba at bat. Ba at bat. Now I will put a new letter K. It becomes K at cat. K at cat. Okay. Then I will put F. It becomes F at fat. At. Put in it. It becomes mat. At mat. At mat. Which letter is this? H. Which letter is this? H. H at hat. H at hat. Which letter is this? Which letter is this? At rat. At rat.